Good morning. Happy Tuesday. I already know you guys have done breakfast and checked your name, tallied what you wanted for lunch, started your morning work, but remember I gave to you before break, and are quietly waiting for instructions. Again, it's Tuesday. So excited to be able to video and still kind of feel like I'm with you guys today. So today, remember, it's still November, so we're going to begin class with a land acknowledgement. We want to acknowledge that we gather as Joanne Lelick Elementary School on the traditional land of the Nantachowtank and Piscataway, past and present, and honor with gratitude the land itself and the people who have stewarded it throughout the generations. Today, you are going to do a close reading and explain how a series of chapters or scenes fit together to provide the structure of a novel. You're going to do a language question practice and an editing task. First, we're going to start with our close reading. Remember, earlier in the unit, you read Grandpa's Surprise, which recounted how Genie found out his grandfather was blind. Remember, his ohos don't work. Well, today you will use information from the text as well as from Ernie's Secret and explain how these chapters work together to develop a structure for the novel and establish a theme. To do this, you will analyze how each chapter contributes to the overall structure of the story and compare and contrast how both chapters approaches themes in the book. Well, your directions are: you need to reread Ernie's Secret and Grandpa's Surprise, answer the question, and make sure you use evidence to support your answer. Now, you're going to have the question you are answering is, Jason Reynolds' theme for As Brave as You is bravery. Do you agree or disagree? Explain your reasoning using evidence from Ernie's Secret and Grandpa's Surprise. Now, this sounds like an opinion essay. It is asking you if you agree with this statement or disagree. Once the paper is passed out with the question on it, I would write O-R-E-E-O so you can set yourself up for success. I know you're going to do great. Please take your time. Don't be afraid to reread the passages. And when this video is done playing, please begin the timer. Good luck, guys.